Another great way to showcase your skills is to create an on your own tutorial ad for your publication. It's also another great way to make sure that your total number of pages is divisible by 4 if you find yourself having to add something at the end. So when you're looking at your on your own tutorial ad, you've got a few different places that you can look for sources for design ideas. You use Design Cuts, Blog Spoon Graphics, Retro Supply, YouTube. There's some Blue Lightning. There's Flearn. There's a lot of different advanced tutorials out there that I want to give you to give a try in order to create this on your own tutorial ad. So you can see in the past have some people who've created kind of this Aurora Borealis. Um, we've got this one where we've got the pedal pushers where they did the wrapped of the they'd created the poster, the pedal pusher sign, and then they actually put it around the box in kind of the smart object. So there's a lot of different ways to create an extra ad for a parody product. So let's go ahead. I'm looking for that mastery of the software. So that's 50 points right there. Obviously, parody product, parody logo. I'm looking for a tutorial credit in the image credits. So definitely need to make sure you give Flearn, Blue Lightning, VidTuts, whatever it is you're doing credit. I also need you to include that tutorial somewhere just on the pasteboard so I can go check it out as well. Don't forget your ads. We need to have some type of headline, some type of body text, some type of call to action, some type of contact information. Looking for that none master, looking for the correct resolution and that you're placing, not pasting. Use those layers and those inspiration sheets. So it's a really fun and easy way to build another page on your publication and to highlight something that you might not have been able to use otherwise. So I look forward to seeing you on your own tutorial ads.